Pooler S. Meet the Pooler S, the most advanced pool alarm system available. Unlike typical alarms that only react when someone enters the water, Pooler S combines AI with a 140 degrees camera to monitor both the pool and its surroundings. It distinguishes between people, pets, and objects to alert you before accidents occur. Triple safety features include notifications, a loud poolside siren, and an indoor alarm. With a solar-powered battery, it's a steal at $199. 2. Pit Boss Red Rock. Smoker for barbecue lovers, the Pit Boss Red Rock 3 Series smoker is a dream come true. With adjustable heat settings from 38 degrees Celsius to 160 degrees Celsius, a professional-grade thermometer, and durable porcelain-coated components, you can smoke like a pro. Want advanced options? Upgrade to models with digital controls and superior insulation. Priced at $330, it's perfect for backyard chefs. 3. Aquaria. Hydropack. Aquaria. Hydropack transforms the moisture in the air into purified drinking water. Perfect for households, it can produce up to 90 liters of water daily with its base model, $3,499. Need more? The high-end version generates 1,000 liters daily. Pair it with solar panels to save energy while staying hydrated. 4. Recycle It. Goodbye trash odors. Simplify trash management with Recycle It, a smart system that sends garbage directly to your main bin through hydraulic doors. Sealed to prevent flies and odors, this is perfect for multi-story homes. Keep your kitchen fresh for $899. 5. NextDome. Stargazing made easy. Transform your backyard into an observatory with NextDome. This modular, easy-to-install dome costs $3,395 and fits telescopes with room for storage or even a mini office. With its sturdy plastic build, you'll enjoy celestial views for years to come. 6. Haven Fire Extinguisher. Ensure your home's safety with the Haven 3.0 automatic fire suppression system. Compact and effective, it activates at 57 degrees Celsius to extinguish fires up to 9.3 square meters. Ideal for electrical and household fires, this safe and chemical-based system costs $280. 7. Botinkit Omni. Cook like a professional chef with Botinkit Omni. This AI-powered cooking system handles temperature, spices, and recipes, guiding you step by step via an 8-inch display. It even cleans itself after cooking. For $41,500, Omni transforms amateur cooks into gourmet masters. 8. Glacia. Cold Plunge. Tub. The Glacia Cold Plunge. Tub combines style and recovery benefits. Made of aluminum and red cedar, it holds 719 liters of water and enhances muscle recovery with cold therapy. Priced at $3,690 with an additional $2,435 for a cooling system, this luxurious tub promises wellness and relaxation. 9. SwitchBot Roller Shade. Control sunlight effortlessly with SwitchBot Roller Shades. These motorized blinds are adjustable, UV protective, and fully customizable. You can control them via voice commands or a smartphone. Starting at $237, it's the ultimate upgrade for your smart home. 10. Carrier HVAC Performance Series. Carrier's Performance Series, air conditioners use IntelliSense technology for data-driven maintenance, energy efficiency, and quiet operation. With the ability to cool rooms to -8 degrees Celsius, this $625 system is a dependable choice for year-round comfort. 11. Meisterbox Packet Box. Avoid porch pirates with Meisterbox Packet Box, a secure delivery box made of steel. With a clever lid for delivery workers and a key-locked side door for retrieval, it ensures your packages are safe. At $989, it's peace of mind for online shoppers. 12. Good Living Automated Laundry System. Dry clothes faster than ever with Good Living's Platinum Pro. Combining turbo ventilation and heat up to 60 degrees Celsius, this ceiling-mounted unit handles up to 50 kilograms of laundry. For $1,099, enjoy faster drying and a cleaner home. 13. Gaggenau Vacuum Drawer. Extend food freshness with Gaganow's vacuum sealing drawer. Compact and versatile, it achieves up to 99% vacuum for airtight storage. It's also great for marinating and organizing. At $3,833, it's a professional tool for serious home chefs. 14. BioLite Backup System. Say goodbye to power outages with BioLite Backup. Easy to install and designed for homes, the core unit stores 1.5 kWh of energy, enough to power appliances like refrigerators. Priced at $1,699, it's a must-have for reliable energy. 15. Slid-up. Motors, upgrade your doors, shutters, and gates with slid-up motors. These smart motors can handle heavy loads and are smartphone controlled. Starting at $336, they're great for automating daily tasks while saving energy. 16. Tovnet SolarCam. Tovnet's SolarCam is a tough AI-powered security camera. With motion detection, facial recognition, and an IP66 rating for extreme weather, it's reliable year-round. Powered by solar energy and priced at $279, it's a smart investment for home security. 17. Magnum Push. Piers for slanted floors and uneven foundations, Magnum Push piers are the solution. Capable of lifting homes, these sturdy supports can handle 92 tons, fixing even the worst settling issues. Pricing depends on your specific project, but their durability is priceless. 18. VX175 Wind Turbine. The VX175 wind turbine is a sleek addition to your home's energy solution. Capable of generating 5,000 kWh annually, it's perfect for cutting electricity bills. Pricing will vary, but its eco-friendly design makes it worth the wait. 19. Our environmental tanks. Need water storage? Our Environmental's tanks hold up to 113,000 liters and are perfect for farms, firefighting, or emergencies. With protective gaskets and multiple uses, the drinking water model costs $2,750, while wastewater tanks go for $8,250. 20. Lucy Gold Basement. Doors Lucy Gold transforms basement bulkhead doors into functional and stylish spaces. Use them as a garden table, dining area, or convenient storage for tools. Starting at $4,250, it's a blend of practicality and design. From smart kitchen gadgets to AI-powered safety systems, these 20 innovative devices are here to transform your home and lifestyle. Which one is your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated on the coolest gadgets of the future. See you next time.